Let it go, let it go. Speaking words of wisdom, let it go. Parang tangang kausap ang tala at buwan, naghihintay ng meron sa gitna ng kawalan. Natutong lumipad kahit pagod at sugatan. Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan sa kabilang buhay? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. I can dance, I can fly, touch the rainbow in the sky. It's the Suchang Getty Square, St. Francis Square. Great bys all the time, St. Francis Square. Tatakbo, tatakbong sisigaw ang pangalan mo.
Sir Navi, mash up po patungkol sa barkada. Okay, watch this.
Tatakbo, tatakbo ng barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa kami kasama mo. I know I need to be in love. I know I take up too much time. I know I want to see standing by my Christmas tree. Christmas won't be the same without you. Yeah, too much love will kill you. I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. It starts with one thing, I don't know why. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw, how could you say you love me? Hindi tayo pwede, and you are my man.
Galing ha?
Whenever you reach for me, ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw pa rin